Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Happy Sunday. PS, this video or vlog can be boring. मैं अभी आपको बता दे रही हूँ because this vlog is literally just snippets of random things that I captured the last week as opposed to जो मैं generally vlog करती हूँ. Like I generally vlog my Saturday and then I post it either on Saturday or Sunday. But last Saturday I figured out कि मेरे Saturdays बहुत बोरिंग होता है. Like I'm always just filming and editing. So to break that monotonous string of videos that I will be posting, I thought why not vlog a few things throughout the week. And let me tell you, that did not turn out very good because I was editing this vlog and it's kind of boring. So if you want to skip it, I understand, but I still hope that you guys watch it. So yeah, just letting you guys know. And again, this is scattered throughout the week, so there's no really connection to anything, but I still hope that you guys enjoy. So let me show you guys क्या क्या आया है. Cornetto's nacho crisps, tikka masala, barbecue, Doritos, उसके बाद another peri peri and another barbecue. So this is my breakfast. इसमें है अंदर क्या है, banana, Nutella and Hershey's syrup. Not very healthy, but okay. Also, Guddu is here. Hi Guddu, क्या कर रही हो तुम? What is this? What is this getup of yours?
Yes, I was in my comfort.
अच्छा, you're being cozy like that. By the way guys, इसका कल एग्जाम है, पढ़ कुछ नहीं रही है, लैपटॉप खुला है यहाँ पे. Look at her. So I'm planning to trim my bangs tomorrow.
Please don't do a mishap.
I'll not do a mishap. I've trimmed it so many times. I need your help tomorrow.
Please don't take my help.
I mean, I just need your help to like do that sectioning, like you know the triangle sectioning that you have to do. Because
have you curled your hair?
just look at that.
Have you curled your hair?
I've curled the bottom. आज गुड्डू का रेस्ट डे है. यू आर लकी कि तुम्हारा मंडे इज रेस्ट डे. बट बहुत पढ़ाई हो गई थी ना गुड्डू. you are literally that person who studies and then does not want to agree that she studied. just confess it गुड्डू. ठीक है तुम्हारी पढ़ाई नहीं हुई थी बट ऐसी रेस्ट डे है ना.
आज मेरा टेस्ट था.
अच्छा, टेस्ट के बाद
नहीं थी, बस टेस्ट था.
टेस्ट के बाद रेस्ट डे. टेस्ट हो गया. कैसा गया तुम्हारा टेस्ट? डी था. हाँ मम्मा आ रहे हैं. हाँ. सो आई जस्ट लॉग्ड ऑफ एंड मैं इस रूम में आई एंड ये सीन दिखने को मिल रहा है. मम्मी मेरा कब की थी तुम लास्ट टाइम ऐसे मालिश? चंपी
तो मुझे तो याद नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं कब की थी. तुम करवाती ही नहीं हो तो इसमें मेरी क्या गलती है?
इसको बोलते पार्शियलिटी.
नहीं तुम आ जाओ, अभी आ जाओ.
नहीं, आज ही बाल धोया मैंने. और यहाँ पे गुड्डू देख रही है बेस्ट एंड वर्स्ट सोप्स. और ऑल्सो गुड्डू कुछ बोली. क्या बोली थी तुम फ्रेग्रेंस के बारे में?
इट्स नॉट गुड. मतलब बहुत हार्मफुल रहता है द फ्रेग्रेंस इन सोप्स.
अच्छा, गुड. ऐसे जानकारी आप प्राप्त करती रहिए और मुझे बताती रहिए. ठीक है, चलिए बाय
बाय.
Good morning guys, it's Tuesday. I woke up a little early, got ready. By the way, this is my getting ready. I didn't do full face of makeup. I just have concealer, lipstick, a little bit of eye thingy and that's it. Today I'm finally filming my Physicians Formulas serum review. A lot of you guys had been asking for it and also I have been enjoying it so much. It's the only niacinamide serum that I have been able to use of lately. So I thought, you know what, I might as well just make a video because I will not be able to see results like with my hyperpigmentation with that serum because I have started using Adapalene and I think I am seeing results with it. So this situation right here was pretty bad when I started out a week back. Well, actually almost 10 days back. So yeah, I'm ready. I'm wearing this crop top and let's go get to filming. Guys, I just finished filming and I'm exhausted. I don't know what it is about skincare videos. you have to talk a lot, like you have to talk about each and every detail, every ingredient, and it can be tiring. But anyways, I'm so glad I woke up, I got this done. I really wanted to film a review because it is a good serum and it's working great. So I'm like, yes, did it. Now I'm gonna go maybe do a little bit of cardio and then I'll go have breakfast. Yeah. Hey guys, happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday today. Also, aaj se I'll take my classes a little seriously because the headache that I had last night was crazy. It was, I don't know, I think that is because I don't wear my glasses frequently, which I mean I should, because I work continuously for more than 9 hours sometimes, and I also have power, which I forget. But anyways, today I want to show you guys my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. Wouldn't call it haul because like there are literally 3 items, literally. So let me show you guys what all I got. So the first thing is this Farsali Daydream combo thingy where you get 3 of her serums and 1 oil, 2 serums, 1 oil. Let me show you guys how these look like, okay? So I have placed them here, as you guys can see, and just look at how tiny these are. I mean, I don't know how to feel. Like, I can't be mad because come on, like these are super expensive, right? Like we all know how expensive these are. So if it's coming for 1750 rupees, I mean, I kind of expected it to be this tiny. So I don't know, maybe like I'll get 1 or 2 uses out of it, but at least I'll have a little bit of idea if I actually want to get the full size or not. Why isn't it focusing? Hold on. There you go. It's so tiny that my camera is finding it difficult to focus. The next thing that I picked up is this Laneige Cream Skin Refiner, and I was so excited for it because number one, it's fragrance free. Like, can you believe a Laneige product and fragrance free? Like, I had never thought that these 2 words can be used in a sentence, because if you know anything about Laneige, they formulate all of their products with fragrance. So those were the 2 items that I picked up, and the third one is actually a face wash. Let's go to the washroom and show you. And the last thing that I picked up is this face wash from Sebamed. This is their clear face cleansing foam. Clear face cleansing foam. I don't know why I picked up, quite frankly. I mean, I'm already using the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. So yeah, those were all the products that I picked up from Pink Friday sale. Let me know what all other products you guys picked up, क्योंकि I decided कि you know what, I have like enough products. Like कितने चीज़ें खरीदूंगी, एक हद होती है मेकअप की, लिपस्टिक्स की. So I didn't buy much at all. And also with skincare also I had like multiple things. Like even now, let me show you guys what is the situation of moisturizers that I'm testing out right now. So my point is, even now I have like a lot of skincare products that I want to try first and then buy more. So that's why not much skincare either, like only 2 products when it came to skincare, and then the Farsali one only because I was like, wow, that's a good deal. But now looking at it, I'm like, was it really though, you know? So here are a few moisturizers. This one I bought because I think it would be amazing for sensitive skin. I'm yet to test all of these. I have tested like a few. Then we have this one from Sebamed, the Aveeno one. I was researching about it right now. And then the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion, Mom's Co. And I think I have one more which I don't have it here. So yeah, this is what my life has become right now. I'm always found with packaging, you know, क्योंकि इसमें सारे ingredient list होते हैं, and then I make note of the ingredients here. So I was just doing that. So that's what I do nowadays in my free time. Okay, so the time now is 2:28, which means I should get dressed up and I should log in. So a good thing that happened was that my shift timing changed. So I was working in the early shift, which was not so good for me, frankly. But now I'm in the afternoon shift. So afternoon shift is like from 3 p.m. to 2:30 a.m. and I don't mind 2:30 a.m. at all. Like I don't mind because anyways I am like always awake till like what 3-4 sometimes, so I don't mind it. So yeah, that's my shift timing right now. So it's 2:30. So I think I'm just gonna change, have my lunch, and then get started with work. Okay, I just got done filming my July favorites. Also, I had to show you guys something जो I just received. Well, actually ये मैंने Myntra से परसों order किया था, and I'll show you guys everything. Hold on. So I had ordered this set from Ayesha. I really wanted these. I don't know what these are called. I call these coin necklaces क्योंकि everybody is literally wearing them. So it came in like this set of this one जो थोड़ा लंबा है, and then this one. So I'm only wearing the सबसे छोटा one out of these, but I think the quality is really nice. Like it's very solid. Even the chain is pretty nice. Like it doesn't feel you know, like how Shein ka quality feels like. If you have tried Shein ka jewelry, you know what I'm talking about. Yes, you get it for really cheap, but also they don't last very long, in all honesty. But I hope that this lasts, because this was on the expensive side for these kind of jewelry. I mean, Shein has spoiled us all, right? मुझे आदत नहीं है spending like 700 to 800 on necklaces, but I guess we have to understand that we are paying for the quality. Let's hope. Let's not talk about quality just yet. I've just bought it, but I mean, from the looks of it and from the feel of it, I mean, I'm gonna show you like this. Look at the chain. It's pretty nice, right? So this is one that I picked up. दूसरा भी दिखाती हूँ. Hold on. The next is also from Ayesha, and it looks something like this. Again, ये वाला अभी बहुत fashion में है. Like everybody is wearing it, right? And if you watch a lot of Insta videos, you would have seen a lot of bloggers and just like creators wearing the safety pin wale things. I actually wanted a safety pin wala earring, but I just cannot find it, guys. If you know anywhere that I can find safety pin earrings, please let me know. I'm like dying to get it. But when I saw this, I'm like, oh my god, Akriti, get it before it goes out of stock. So I ordered it, and I'm so happy with the quality, guys. I mean, quality is amazing. Of course, it's from Ayesha, and the quality has to be amazing. It's not very cheap. So yeah, this is the next one. It's Sunday today. I think I'm gonna go have lunch. It's 4:30 right now, but I think I'm going to end this video here. I know this was all over the place, but I still hope at least you guys enjoyed it. So that's all, guys. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification, follow me on Insta, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.